Hi everybody. So let's start our art lesson. Today we're going to draw a flower and we're going to concentrate on texture and line and how to draw big. So I'd like your flower to fill up your whole paper. And also I would really like everyone to really look at their flower, whether it's a photo or a real flower. I really want you to look at the different part, how the flower is put together, how the stem works, how the petals are joined together, and the center, what is the texture. So now when you're ready, you can start drawing and try to think about making it as big as you can. And here I'm just looking at the outline and looking at the different texture as well. So I'm starting to add the texture for the center and really trying to create different lines with my pencil so that we can see it's a different texture. I'm also doing an outline of the petals and just taking it one petal at a time so I can really be as precise as I can. I'm really looking at all the lines, all the creases. I'm adding when the petals are a little bit broken or a little bit uh, fainted, and really trying to show that so that it looks like a real flower, not a flower that we have in our imagination or an emoji flower, but a flower how it actually is. You really have to spend time doing this. This is a speed up version, obviously. I spend a lot of time doing this drawing to really get in all the little details. I'm adding also some shadows, trying to get the line and really looking where it's light and dark, and trying to create as much detail as possible. Also, sometimes a good idea to pause what you're doing and having a look at your drawing. If anything doesn't, and look at your flower, is there anything that's not right? You can, add some more detail, add a bit of shade and some more definition. So I'm just refining my drawing now because I've done my outline. And I'm almost finished. Now it's going to be your turn to draw your flower. Remember, take your time and really look. It's mostly looking, then some drawing.